Sure. Here's a professional, natural-sounding YouTube script for a review of the F-16 Fighter Teyara 2025, written as if it's spoken dialogue for a voiceover or on-camera narration. It's structured and engaging, without headings, as you requested. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated aircraft upgrades of the decade, the F-16 Fighter Teyara 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement, a sleek modern reimagining of one of the world's most iconic fighter jets. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the design speaks volumes. The 2025 edition comes with an ultra-shiny high-gloss finish that reflects both power and precision. With a fresh paint scheme proudly representing Pakistan's Air Force, this aircraft doesn't just perform, it looks stunning doing it. Let's start with the exterior. Every panel and edge has been refined for enhanced aerodynamics. The glossy coating isn't just for show. It's engineered to reduce radar signature and improve overall performance under various combat conditions. The upgraded air intake and wing profile optimize airflow, giving the F-16 even better maneuverability at high speeds. Now, inside the cockpit, this is where things really get interesting. The dashboard layout has been completely reworked with state-of-the-art avionics. You're looking at a fully digital glass cockpit with advanced HUD, multifunction displays, and integrated AI-assisted navigation systems. Pilots now have greater situational awareness, faster data processing, and intuitive controls at their fingertips. The seat design, ergonomic, lightweight, and combat-ready, built for long missions with improved padding, harnesses, and emergency ejection systems. It's clear that comfort and safety have been prioritized without compromising the aggressive tactical interior aesthetic. Under the hood, the 2025 variant comes with enhanced propulsion, more thrust, better fuel efficiency, and quieter engine performance, yet no compromise on speed or climb rate. This beast can reach Mach 2 in no time, and thanks to updated flight control systems, it handles like a dream even at extreme altitudes. And for those asking about weapons, yes, it's fully compatible with the latest smart missile tech, advanced radar-guided systems, and electronic warfare suites. Whether for air-to-air superiority or ground strike missions, the F-16 2025 is more versatile than ever. In terms of presence, this jet turns heads even when it's not in the air. The luxury showroom presentation, all white, minimalistic, with that bold F-16 banner in the back, makes it feel more like a supercar launch than a military unveiling. This aircraft is more than just a fighter. It's a symbol of technological advancement, national pride, and next-gen air dominance. Pakistan's investment in this modernized F-16 platform positions it firmly in the fifth-gen tactical landscape without needing to reinvent the wheel. So, whether you're a defense enthusiast, an aviation nerd, or just someone who appreciates raw engineering excellence, the F-16 Fighter Teyara 2025 is one to watch. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like this script translated into Urdu, adapted for a short video or YouTube shorts, or tailored for a drone-style narrator or high-energy delivery.